Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 6. The name of the chapter which I am going to teach is chapter 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. In the previous class, we learnt about point, line segment, line, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and ray. Today, let us solve exercise 4.1 of page number 74 in the textbook. Question number 1. Use the figure to name 5 points, and this is the figure given. From this figure, we have to name 5 points. As I've taught you, what is a point? Point is a tiny dot. So let's find the 5 points in this figure. So the points are D, E, O, C and B. So the points are D, E, O, C and B. Next, B1, a line. What is a line? There are no fixed points in a line. Suppose I have a line segment with fixed points A and B. With fixed points A and B. If I extend these points, in both the directions, then it becomes a line. So, in this figure, we have to name a line. So here DB is a line because points D and B are extended in both the directions. Therefore, DB is a line. Next, C, 4 rays. We need to find 4 rays in this figure. So what is a ray? Ray has one fixed point at one end and it extends at the other end. So this is a ray. So in this figure, if I take the fixed point as O, then point D extends. So OD is a ray. Next we have OB as a ray. OE is a ray. Next we have OC. O is a fixed point and this point C extends. So OC is also a ray. Next we have, if we consider as E is extending, if in case now point D is not there, so E is extending. So OE is a ray. O is fixed and Here O is fixed and E is also fixed. But here it extends. If I consider E as extending, then I can write OE is a ray. So we have OD, OB, OC and OE as rays. Okay, next we have D, 5 line segments. We need to find 5 line segments in this figure. So what is a line segment? Line segment has 2 fixed points, isn't it? So here I can take as DE as a line segment. So we get DE as a line segment. Next we can consider OE as a line segment. Next we have 2 fixed points O and C. OC as a line segment. Next we have OB, 2 fixed points, this one and this one. So OB as a line segment. Next we can consider DB, 2 fixed points, the point D and point B. So DB. Is this clear, students? So next we have the problem number 2. Name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So name the line given in all possible 12 ways, given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So here we are given 4 letters. There is a 4 points, 4 letters means 4 points, point A, point B, point C and point D. So we have to name the line in 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time. So out of this line, all possible 12 ways means 12 means out of this line 12 lines are possible. 12 lines are possible. For example, now A to B. Next we have A to C. Next we have A to D and so on. Did you get this? So out of this line 12 ways. 12 ways means 12 lines are possible. 12 ways of lines are possible. So out of these 4 points A, B, C and D, we are asked to write the lines with only 2 points at a time. 2 points at a time, but in how many ways? 12 possible ways. So what will be the lines here now? A to B is a line. A to B is one possible way of line, choosing only 2 letters, that is A and B. Next we have A to C. Next we have A to D. Next we have now B to C. B to C. Next we have B to D. B to D. Next we have B to A. B to A. Next we have C to D. C to D. Next we have C to B. C to B. Next we have C to A. C to A. Next we have D to C. D to C. Next we have D to B. D to B. And we have D to A. D to A. So we got all the possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 points given. So how many ways we finish? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are done with 12 possible ways of naming the lines with only 2 points.